Okay guys, so we're here at Valencia City. Stop over muna for CR break. Touchdown! You're free! Sorry, yun daw, umuulan na. Yan. Lakas na yung tubig sa ano. Okay, so we're having our breakfast stop here by the roadside. Yan, so kita nyo, medyo manipis pero considered na rin parang sea of clouds. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another adventure, and it's been a while since naka-vlog tayo, and right now we're heading to extreme north of Mindanao. So pupunta po tayo na somewhere sa may Bukidnon area pa rin, in Pasugong. We're going to Campville. By the way, it's our first time since our camping escapades. Ito po yung first time namin na pumunta ng north talaga. So we've been to Davao Region, Davao Oriental, within local lang sa Davao City. We've been to south of Mindanao, extreme sa lugar ng nanay ko sa may South Cotabato. Ngayon na naman, ito yung first namin. Hopefully will not be the last. Yun nga. So baybayan nyo yung adventure namin. Okay guys, so we're here at Valencia City. So after this, Malay-Malay, and then doon sa campsite tayo sa may Campville. So stop over muna for CR break. Maaga pa dito, still 8 o'clock, and we're estimating siguro darating kami sa campsite around mga 10 or 10 past 10 na siguro. Tingnan natin. Here we are at Malay-Malay. Again, stop over tayo just to buy some stuff lang. Ito na yung last namin na last point before kami proceed sa campsite mismo. Telltale signs that you are in Bukidnon. Tell me that you are from Bukidnon.
Goats?
Without telling me that you are from Bukidnon. Pineapple Farms. Touchdown.
Wait for it.
So we have arrived here at campsite and I am impressed. Very spacious. Malayo lang talaga pero the 4 hours is worth the trip. So guys, we're not yet completely settled, but at least siguro medyo at least nalabas na namin lahat ng mga gamit, and then ano na lang, tidying up lang, tapos ayusin lang ng maayos yung mga gamit. Okay, so kain muna tayo. Set up namin yung docking tent. I have to go with the configuration na yung merong second layer or yung net sa loob ng docking tent kasi medyo this is like the middle of a forest. Ayan, okay lang ulit dalawa. Lagi, first time namin dito, parang hindi muna namin dinala si Pagi. Busy rin yung dalawa, si Mr. Motoholic at saka si Puyo TV, si Andrew, at saka si Benjo, kasi follow nyo rin pala yung kanilang mga, lagay ko sa link yung kanilang mga channel. So, tingnan mo, medyo malayong lugar, so explore lang muna kami. Kada report namin sa kanila, gusto nila sumama pag next time pagbalik dito.
Wait. Bakit kasi dito siya tinali? Ouch.
Tali mo na lang sa dyan, sa simento.
You're free! Go, run like the wind! Sabit ka pa ulit, hindi na kita i-save.
Gusto niya magpunta, I think, sa mama niya.
Ha?
I think gusto niya magpunta sa... Ayan na. Nag-cross na siya. Bye, goat. No, nag-cross lang siya.
Okay, so about to rain na. Yan. It's about to rain. Ayun, hindi, umuulan na. Yan.
So ayan, ulan na naman. Lakas na yung tubig sa ano.
A little bit of action happening dito sa campsite. Actually, nag-subside na. Pero, not enough para makatawid yung mga vehicles going to the poblasyon. So there you are, guys. I hope you liked our video for today. Don't forget to like and share, and if you are new to this channel, you can support us by hitting the subscribe button. Please leave a comment on the comment section if you want to know more about this video and my other videos as well. You can also hit the notification bell for updates and new content on my channel. Happy car camping sa tanan ug daghang salamat!